Anywhere you go, take control of your comfort with the new, affordable and portable Cosmos Daisy air conditioner and heater. Everyone who has ever worked in an office knows it's never the right temperature, and no combination of sweaters, coats, or scarves seem to fix it. Luckily, there's a new, affordable solution for all of your temperature needs. Introducing the Cosmos Daisy, a revolutionary heater-cooler for your office and home. With its sleek, small, and modern design, the Cosmos Daisy looks great in any room. Its easy-to-use interface ensures precision temperature control all year round. Using thermoelectric cooling and heating technology, the Daisy uses 20 semiconductors to heat or cool to your liking. These small semiconductors allow the Daisy to be compact, lightweight, and still heat and cool any environment to your liking. This small footprint makes it easy to take the Cosmos Daisy anywhere you need it. Sleek, modern, advanced, affordable comfort. The Cosmos Daisy. Click here to order yours today.
What do you do when it's hot outside? No further.
with my father. One night, alone on the deck, with the sound of the wave, I felt that wind blew, and a couple of seconds later, the boat moved as if it replied to the wind. I experienced perfect harmony of nature with something man had created, and came up with Nature Remo to conserve energy while improving user experience with room air conditioners.
I'm a dad of 2 kids. I wanted to build something to make the world a little bit better for them.
Remo transforms any air conditioners to smart air conditioners. You can remotely access to your AC with smartphone, automatically turn off your AC with motion sensor. Remo is connected to home Wi-Fi, and you can communicate with your smartphone via mobile internet. It uses infrared commands to communicate with existing ACs. Remo is equipped with various sensors, including temperature, humidity, and motion sensors.
Introducing Totcooly, the all-in-one home comfort system. The 3-in-1 desktop personal air cooler that also keeps your drinks hot or cold. This is the first system of its kind. It works by transferring cool air through the included notched metal cup. Then, using a silent yet powerful centrifugal fan, it draws air through the metal cup and blows it out to the front to send you cool air. Totcooly is a smart device that includes cooling and heating for your drink. With a focus to set a different standard, the Totcooly is unlike any other beverage cooling and heating devices currently on the market. Requiring no pre-preparation at all, the cooling system is 7 times faster than a refrigerator in cooling your drink. Just plug into your wall socket and wait 60 seconds for the surface plate to cool down to -46 degrees Fahrenheit. This will make your drink cool down from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 minutes, or to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes. The heating system is 5 times faster than standard heating equipment to keep your drink around 131 degrees Fahrenheit, the best taste temp for coffee and a baby's bottle. The fan can blow the air more than 2 meters, and also comes with an air filter that can control 8 million ions for its purifier function. At Totcooly, we build technology to serve you. We are ready to begin production right away, so help us by making your pledge and to tell your friends and family about Totcooly.